Hello everyone. If you have ever wondered why one student gets band 5, another gets band 6 and someone else score band 8 in IELTS speaking, this video is for you. Today I will ask real IELTS speaking part 1 question and you will hear 3 different answers. Band 5, band 6 and band 8. Let's begin. Question number 1. Do you work or are you a student? Band 5 user. I am a student. I study biology. I like my subjects because they are interesting. Band 6 user. I am currently a university student studying biology. Overall, I am happy with my course. Band 8 user. At the moment, I am pursuing a degree in biology. I've always been fascinated by how living organisms function, so studying this subject feels rewarding. Although the coursework can be demanding, I genuinely enjoy the learning process. Question number 2. What do you usually do in your free time? I watch TV and use my phone. Sometimes I meet my friends. Band 6 user. In my free time, I usually watch movies, listen to music. However, band 8 user will answer it like this. Whenever I have some free time, I enjoy watching documentaries or reading books. I also like catching up with my friends over coffee because it gives me a chance to rewind and take a break from my daily routine. Do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. I read storybooks sometimes. Band 6 user. Yes, I enjoy reading, especially novels and self-improvement books. Reading helps me. Band 8 user. Absolutely. Reading has become one of my favorite hobbies over the past few years. I particularly enjoy biographies and psychology books because they broaden my perspectives and encourage me to think critically. Question number 4. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I cook sometimes. Band 6 user. Yes, I enjoy cooking whenever I have enough time to do it. However, band 8 users will answer it in this way. Yes, I genuinely enjoy cooking because it's both relaxing and creative. I love trying out new recipes from different cuisines, especially Italian and Indian dishes. Even though I am not a professional cook, I enjoy experimenting with flavors. Question number 5. Do you prefer mornings or evenings? Band 5 user. I like morning because it is quiet. I can study better. Band 6 user. I definitely prefer mornings because I feel more energetic and productive during this time. However, sometimes I usually finish my important task. Band 8 user. I am naturally a morning person. I find that my concentration is much better early in the day, so I usually schedule important work for the morning. It also gives me a positive start to the rest of the day. Now, did you notice the difference? Band 5 answers are short and basic. Band 6 answers are clearer and include more details. However, your speech hampering can affect the score. Band 8 answers sound natural, fluent, and use a variety of vocabulary and grammar without memorization. If you want to score band 7 or band 8, don't memorize. Learn how to extend your answers naturally. Comment